Well, we got a call for something leaking. Whoa! Said the door was unlocked, and it is. We installed these boilers, I don't know, maybe 2 years ago. I think what he's talking about is that. Where's the switch? Shut the valve there. What we'll do is we'll just shut our cold water coming in, I think. I don't want to move. TMP goes right in the crawl space. We'll get some pressure off this and we'll change that auto vent out. That's all we need. Let me go get an auto vent. Okay. Just going to use some tape. Tape threads. I don't like using dope on these because it'll clog. It'll clog that little passage up there. Don't want to get these too tight, just hand tight. well. Heard the water, but it ain't going through. Well, maybe. Hold on. There we go. Thank God. So, leave this off for right now. Let this thing fill. Well, crap. Now I gotta go turn it on. Let me go turn the thermostat on. Get this thing running. Make sure we got heat. Okay. Yeah, we got heat coming back. Oh no, the pump's mounted upside down. Doesn't matter. Well, that was a quick, easy call. My customer called me this morning on this one. He's like, oh, it's got a little leak to it. So, and he's a really good customer of mine because we got a duplex here and a duplex right across the courtyard. And 2 or 3 years ago we did the boilers. I can't remember. Might have been 3 years ago. And last year I did the other duplex with 2 furnaces. So he's a really good customer. So that was in and out. He just calls me when anything needs to be done and I take care of it. Text him. He's in Florida. I'm like, hey, it's done, taken care of, so he doesn't have to worry about it. So that was just a quick and easy vent change. You know, under warranty. You know, we had a 5-year warranty on that thing, so we got it done under the warranty. They're changing all the gas lines in this area too. Yeah, great. Yeah, we just got it done under the warranty. Quick, easy auto vent change. And that's it for this one. There ain't nothing to it. You guys know what you need to do. Like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.